Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through everything you need to know about becoming a Bolt driver, looking directly at the earnings, the application process, and what it is actually like to work on the platform. Bolt operates as one of the largest ride-hailing alternatives to Uber across Europe, Africa, and parts of the Americas, positioning itself as a highly attractive gig economy option for independent contractors. Let us talk straight about the money, which is the most critical factor for any driver. Bolt typically charges a 15 to 21% commission fee on each completed ride, which is notably lower than the standard 25% cut taken by competitors like Uber. This lower commission means you keep a higher percentage of the base fare directly in your pocket, though your actual take-home pay still depends heavily on local surge pricing, tips, and your vehicle's fuel efficiency. To qualify for the platform, you must be at least 21 years old, hold a valid driver's license, and pass a mandatory background check, while your vehicle must meet strict state or city age limits and carry commercial insurance. The Bolt Driver app includes a dynamic performance measurement called the Driver Score, which evaluates your last 100 accepted trips based on your arrival punctuality, cancellation rates, and passenger reviews. If you maintain professional behavior and keep your car clean, you'll thrive. But letting your score drop too low due to unprovoked cancellations can result in temporary account suspension. Ultimately, Bolt is an excellent, flexible side hustle or full-time driving gig that maximizes your margins through lower corporate fees, making it a platform absolutely worth signing up for. Subscribe the channel for more videos.